Okay. A little bit of toothpick painting here. This works out so good. Make sure you shake it up a little bit. Should be enough in the cap to do what I want to do. I'll go back. These are marker lights. And I'll go back and put some color on there. Probably some orange or some red. I think I probably got to put the red on the back and the orange on the front, like in a regular car. And we've got these little latches here. So when you got them raised lines, you can stay in there with the tip of a toothpick fairly easy. And let's do the hinges here too. A little bit of a piece of fuzz on there. There's going to be a touch-up. I think we just about polished this turd as good as it's going to get. Looks like a race car. Hauler. I'll wait for that silver paint to dry there, and we'll go ahead and put a little dabs of color on them lenses.